I am going to convert or determine any logarithm value of a given number. You know what log x is equal to characteristics of x plus mantissa of x. This is the formula. By using this formula we can calculate or we can determine log value using standard log table. So here is the example on you can see that find out log of 500.2. You can see that this is the positive value, and to find out the log of this value we have to firstly determine the characteristics, then mantissa. So in the solution part we can write to find out the characteristics. You can see that there is 3 digit before the decimal. There is 3 digit. That's why to find out the characteristics in case of positive number, I have to write this 3 digit characteristic is equal to 3 digit, that is 3 minus 1. You have to subtract this digit from 1. So 2. You can see that 2 is the mantissa of 500.2. Then 2 is the here 2 is the characteristics of 500.2. Now now I am going to calculate the mantissa. To calculate mantissa, I have to write this value 500.2 and find and I am going to find the mantissa from standard log table. So before that I have to write this 502 digit into 3 format, that is 50, 0 and 2. You know that the standard log table ranges from 10 to 99. 10 to 99, there is 10 to 99 number of column, and 0 to 9 number of. You know what, in a standard log table there is number of rows that ranges from 10 to 99. That's why I have input 50 here, and there is about 10 column that ranges from 0 to 9. That's why I write 0, and to find out the mean difference I have to use 2. So to do this I am going to find 50 number of rows and 0 column from the standard log table. You can see that I have a standard log table here. You can see that there is 50 rows. I am selecting 50 number of rows, that is 50 rows, and column is 0. So the value will be 69897. So here I am writing 69897, and plus we have to identify mean difference, that is the number, that is the row is 50 and the mean difference is 2. So I am going to the standard log table, and you can see that there is a mean difference is displayed here in the right hand side. So 50 is the row, and 50 rows mean difference is 2. So 2 is here 17. You can see that 17 is the mean difference. So I can write 17. Then I am going to add these two values to find out the final mantissa, and this is the 699 on 4. And you know what, Mantissa is always the value of Mantissa is always below 1. The maximum value of Mantissa must be below 1. So I can write here 0.699 on 4. This is the Mantissa. We can see that we have calculated. You can see that I have calculated both characteristic and Mantissa. Now I am going to calculate the and determine the log value of 500.2. So log 500.2 is equal to characteristics of 500.2 plus Mantissa of 500.2, and then I am inputting the value. 2 is the characteristics, 2 plus 0.699 on 4 is the Mantissa. So the log value will be 2.699 on 4. In this way you can find out, or we can determine the log value of a particular given number which is positive in nature. In the same way we can determine the negative number. We can determine the log value of a particular negative value. So for this purpose I am inputting an example of negative number, that is find out log of 0.0009887. This is the value. We can see that this value is below 1. The value is below 1. That's why it is a negative value. So I am going to compute or determine the log value of this negative number. So to find out the characteristics, will be for in case of any negative number, we have to notice the number of 0 is placed after the decimal value. So you can see that the decimal value is here, and after decimal there is 3 digits are there. So that's why I have to write 3. And in case of negative value, we typically add plus on. So 3 plus on, and we have to write 4. And because this is a negative value, we have to write minus 4 before the actual value. So the characteristics is minus 4. You can see that the characteristics here minus 4 characteristics. Now I am going to calculate the Mantissa. To calculate Mantissa, I have to write this value 0.0009887, and I have to write this value into 3 format in the previous way, 9887. I have already done it in case of find out a positive log value. So again we have to go to the standard log table and to find out the Mantissa. So I am going to from the log table. I have found the 99476, that is the 98 number rows and 8 column, that is 99476, and the mean difference will be, this is the 7 is the mean difference will be 30 on 90 number row, and 7 is the mean difference. So you have to write plus this value 99507. This is the Mantissa, and we know that Mantissa is always greater less than 0 on. So 0.99507. This is the Mantissa value. So now it's time to compute or determine the log value of the questions. 0 log 0.0009887, this is the value, and I am going to find out the log of this value. So log 0.00987 is equal to characteristics of 0.0009887 plus mantissa of 0.0009887. So I have already calculated the characteristics of mantissa of that value. Now I am inputting the value. Mantissa characteristics is 4 minus 4 plus mantissa minus 4 is considered, minus 4 is the characteristics, and mantissa is 0.99507, 0.99507. This is the mantissa. So I am going to add these two value, and the result will be, I am going to add these two value, and the result will be minus 3.00493. This is the log value of 0.009887. So in this way you can determine the logarithm value for both positive and negative number.